Hey there, Buy Smart family! Welcome back to another epic showdown where we help you make smarter buying decisions. Today, we've got a drone battle that's gonna blow your mind. On the left, we have the Ruko F11PRO, and on the right, the CHUBORY Super Enduring Brushless Motor Drone. It's gonna be a drone fight to the finish, so buckle up and let's get this party started. First up, let's talk about the one thing that makes or breaks your wallet: the price. The Ruko F11PRO comes in at a cool $389, while the CHUBORY Super Enduring is a much lighter $149. I mean, with that price difference, you could buy a CHUBORY and still have enough cash left over for a decent pizza party. So if you're ballin' on a budget, CHUBORY takes the cake here. Alright, next up is flight time. The Ruko F11PRO boasts a total of 60 minutes with its 2 batteries. Not bad, right? But wait for it. The CHUBORY Super Enduring flexes with a whopping 84 minutes thanks to its 3 upgraded batteries. That's practically a drone marathon. So if you're the kind of person who likes to stay in the sky longer than a hot air balloon ride, CHUBORY's got your back. Now, let's dive into camera quality. The Ruko F11PRO sports a stunning 4K UHD camera with a 120 degrees FOV lens. It's like having a mini IMAX theater in the sky. On the other hand, CHUBORY offers a respectable 2K HD camera with a 130 degrees wide-angle lens. It's like comparing a blockbuster movie to a really good TV show. Both are great, but Ruko's 4K is definitely the show stealer here. Ease of use is a biggie, especially for beginners. Ruko F11PRO is like the drone equivalent of a driving instructor. It's got beginner settings, follow me mode, tap fly, and even hand gesture shots. It's basically the drone that flies itself while you sip on your latte. CHUBORY, however, is no slouch either. It's got one key start landing, optical flow positioning, altitude hold, and even 3D flips. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones. Honestly, both drones are super user-friendly, but Ruko's got that extra hold my coffee vibe. Let's talk build quality. The Ruko F11PRO has a robust aluminum alloy casing and can handle level 6 wind resistance. It's like the Hulk of drones. CHUBORY, with its upgraded composite material, is also pretty tough and claims to resist falls and collisions. It's basically the Wolverine of drones. Both are durable, but Ruko's gotta win this round for being a literal wind warrior. Special features time. Ruko F11PRO comes with GPS auto return home. It's like having a drone with a built-in homing pigeon. It also meets FAA compliance, so no extra remote ID module needed. CHUBORY, however, is a featherweight at less than 249 grams, meaning no registration required. Plus, it comes with a carry-in case, so you can take it anywhere, even on your next adventure to your backyard. Based on Amazon reviews, the Ruko F11PRO is praised for its exceptional build quality, ease of use, and impressive camera. It's highly recommended for beginners and experienced users alike. On the other hand, the CHUBORY Super Enduring Brushless Motor Drone garners mixed reviews. While many appreciate its affordability, ease of use, and camera quality, there are some concerns about its reliability and stability. So there you have it, folks. The Ruko F11PRO and the CHUBORY Super Enduring Brushless Motor Drone both bring their A game. If you're looking for 4K video quality and wind resistance, Ruko's your go-to. But if you want more flight time and a budget-friendly option, CHUBORY's calling your name. Either way, you can't go wrong. Smash that like button if you found this helpful, subscribe for more epic comparisons, and let us know in the comments which drone you're flying with and why. Until next time, stay smart. Buy smart. Product links are in the description.